So the question is, what documents do I need for a marriage green card? I'm going to give you an answer here, but it will not be a complete answer, and it cannot possibly be a complete answer, because it would, I mean, we could go for 2 hours on this particular question and still not cover it completely. But generally, for a marriage green card, the types of documents you would need is, first, there's the I-130, which is the form which is, you know, filled out if you're an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen, or, you know, a lawful permanent resident. And then outside of that, you would need to show proof of, you know, that you have a valid marriage. You know, you need your marriage certificate. You'll need birth certificates. You'll need things like proof of cohabitation, possibly either that you live together, or, you know, different forms of proof, such as, you know, wedding that took place, where did it take place. You know, you might have some different forms of evidence that, you know, your family knows about this, and, you know, the world kind of knows about it. You have, let's see here, then there might be proof that's required, or documentation that's required for sponsorship. So, and that's the form I-864, and that is the affidavit of support that a resident that lives in the United States and is over the age of 18 has to file to sponsor you. And so basically they're entering into a contract with the U.S. government, that in essence saying that, contracting that, you know, you will not become a public charge, or you will, you know, not go and solicit food stamps and, you know, other, you know, type of Medicare, to other type of government benefits. And so there might be some tax returns that are needed there. Then there might be, you know, W-2s or other income requirements that are needed there. And so biographic page of your passport, and it's also is a good idea to also provide the stamps of, you know, where you entered the U.S., for example. You know, there's other information, you know, like where you've lived the last 5 years, where have you worked the last 5 years, and much more information. But this just gives you a general guide of types of information that's required. Again, reach us. You know, information is below. You know, it's important to do it right, because the consequences could be really, really grave. Reach us, and we're happy to help you. This is really probably our number one case. So, thank you for watching.